everyone, and in this video we are going to be making some Easter dirt cake, and what we will need is 3 cups of milk, 8 tablespoons of butter, and then some vanilla or white chocolate pudding, some whipped topping, 8 ounces of cream cheese, some Easter candy, and you can use any type of Easter candy that you want, and then some Oreos, and then some baking vanilla, and if you want to, you can add some powdered sugar, but you don't have to add the powdered sugar if you don't want to. And let's move on to the first step. And with the pudding, we need 2 boxes of the pudding. Alright, and for this step, we will need a 9x13 baking dish, and the Oreos, and then we need to crush up about 2/3 of the Oreos if the Oreos are in the package. So I'm gonna take these, place them here. And that's about 2/3. And then I'm going to take this and crush it up, and if you don't have something like this, you could always use a serving spoon too. And then we are going to keep on doing this until all the Oreos are crushed up. At least like the 2/3 that we took out of the container. Alright, and once the Oreos are done getting crushed up, it should look something like this. And then we are going to place that into the bottom of the 9x13 container, or actually baking dish. And then we are going to spread it out as even as possible. And then if you need to add more, you can add more. Just to kind of like fill in like some of the open spaces that are in the bottom of the bag. And then with the next step, using the electrical mixers, we are going to mix the 8 ounces of cream cheese and the 8 tablespoons of butter in a bowl. Once that is creamed together, it should look something like this. And then if you're going to add powdered sugar to it, then you can add the powdered sugar to this mixture right here. But you don't have to add the powdered sugar if you don't. And then in a separate bowl, we are going to mix together the 2 boxes of pudding, the 3 cups of milk, and the baking vanilla. Alright, and then with the vanilla extract, we will need 1 teaspoon. Right there. And then we need to mix that together. Alright, once the pudding, the milk, and the baking vanilla are mixed together, it should look something like this. If it's a little clumpy, then that's okay. And then we are going to put it into the cream cheese mixture. And then we are going to mix that up with the electrical beaters. But if you want to, you can use it and you just want to throw up with spatulas too. But you don't have to. Once the pudding mixture is mixed in with the cream cheese mixture, it should look something like. And the next step that we are going to do is that we're going to take this mixture and pour it over the Oreo crumbs. And try to get as much out of the bowl as you can. And then we're going to spread it out.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
And then try and get it leveled out as level as possible and as even as possible. And then it should look just like that. And then with the leftover Oreos, we're going to take them and crush them up and then sprinkle them over here. Like all over like the Alright, and then we're going to add the topping to the top of it. And try to get as much out of the container as you can. And then we're going to spread it out. And try and get as even as possible. And once the Cool Whip is all spread out, it should look something like this. And then we're going to take the candies and spread them all over on top of this. Alright, once the candy is on there, it should look something like this. And then we are going to put saran wrap over it and then place it in the fridge until it is solid and ready to serve.